Alright, today I've picked up the new Insta360 mic Air. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm going to give it a test because I want to see how it does as far as picking up sounds of the just the exhaust. I'm going to tuck it up underneath my trunk lid. It's magnetic. Pretty cool. It's already got a built-on dead cat here. But I want to see what it does. My Miata exhaust is stock. There's, they have a factory sound, nothing loud, and I left it that way by design. I wanted to keep it that way. I don't want it obnoxious. Anyway, so I'm going to stick this little guy up underneath the trunk lid here. Right up there. There we go. And alright, we're picking up sound. Alright, we're going to see if it picks up sound and doesn't disconnect, because I tested it last night before a firmware update and it disconnected itself. That wasn't ideal. So, here we go. Okay.